going to share with you 5 things that you can do to make the most out of the flylady system. The first thing you can do to make the most out of the flylady system is to start where you are. Just jump right in. There's no need to wait till Monday or spring cleaning. You can just jump right where you are. She makes it super duper easy to just jump in. You don't need to wait for perfection. You can just start right now. The next thing you can do to make the most out of the flylady system is to use the zones to your advantage. Flylady has 5 zones that rotate throughout the month. Be sure to use these zones to your advantage by giving your full attention to each zone that you are in. That way the whole entire month your home is constantly getting better. Just because you're an entryway zone doesn't mean you have to let your bedroom bully you. Just know that you'll get there, and there is a plan for that. In addition to that, if your home is broken up in a slightly different way than she recommends, just use that to your advantage as well. If you have a living dining combo, you might want to get those together. Just divide in a zone in a way that makes sense. But regarding the zones, don't try to reinvent the wheel too much. There's a reason why she set it up this way, and they really super work. Daily focuses can help to put life on easy mode. If you're super busy or have a lot on your plate, daily focuses can help you big time. Every day has a theme that you will focus on, essentially causing your home to run on autopilot. As long as you're doing these daily focuses every single day, not only your home, but also your life will be super duper organized and very easy to maintain. If you're not the jump right in kind of person, you can also try the baby steps. The flylady has 31 baby steps, and you can use these to get your feet wet into the flylady system and build lifelong habits. We're starting a challenge of the 31 baby steps tomorrow, so be sure to check that out and turn on your notification bells if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss a beat. If you want more information, it'll all be linked down below, but keep your eyes peeled for that, as we're going to do it together and it's going to be so much fun. The next thing you can do to make the most out of the flylady system is tweak it. Nobody has the same life. If you tweak the flylady system to your life, you will surely make it work. For example, I know flylady has her zones. When I first started this system, I couldn't even get into the zones. So I had to start right where I was at, and I worked systematically until I can get to the zones. One thing though you will not be able to tweak though, it's decluttering. You can't clean clutter, as she says, so you must learn how to do that first. Flylady system is awesome, and you can absolutely make it work for you no matter how busy your life is. Check out this video here if you want to know more, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.